Please ask all your friends to join the class immediately if you are well-wisher of your friends.
Not that much, sir.
Not that much. Very nice. Good. Those who will not help themselves, God will also not help themselves. Okay, KMNO4 versus oxalic acid. The weight of oxalic acid required to reduce. So this is the equivalent, children. See, this is volume and this is molarity, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so number of equivalents can be known like this also. Okay, molarity into X factor. Molarity into X factor means what? Normality.
Normality.
And volume. So whatever the manner they give, we can solve it. Hello.
Yes,
Good
sir.
morning. हाँ चिल्ड्रन चलो ले कैलकुलेशन स्टार्ट करें.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देखो 80 मिलीलीटर दिया है तो 1000 से डिवाइड कर दे
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि हमको लीटर में चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
0.08 liter.
इंटू मोलारिटी कितना दिया है बोलो 0.4
Yes,
हाँ.
sir. Yes, sir.
और KMNO. What is the X factor of KMNO4 in acidic medium?
1.
And one.
Hey,
One.
5.
5, sir.
5.
Acidic medium, you told.
Remember.
You told acidic medium.
Oh, from +7 to 2.
Yeah, KMNO4
Yes, sir.
changes
Yes, sir.
to Mn plus 2. This is
Yes,
plus
sir. Yes,
7. Already I told you, beta.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. 5, sir.
Sorry, sir.
This is known as X factor, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in basic medium, it will change into Mn plus 6. Only 1 in basic medium, right?
1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in neutral medium, it will change into Mn plus 4 plus 7, right?
3.
3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So these are the X factor. You have to remember it. Next is, so what is the X factor? Tell me. 5.
5.
So one problem is solved. Now same equivalent will be for oxalic acid because we know this law of equivalence.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Okay. So it means this is the number of equivalent of KMNO4 as well as number of equivalent of oxalic acid.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
what
sir.
we have to do, we have to calculate, we have to use this formula to calculate the weight.
Yes, sir. W by E.
Yeah, so number of equivalent we got 80 into 0.4 into 5 by
15
1000.
into 10 to the
Okay.
16 into 10 to the power minus 4.
This is the equivalent weight and sorry, this is the number of equivalent. And now tell me the equivalent weight of oxalic acid.
90. No, sorry.
45.
2.
H2C2O4. This is oxalic acid.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Dot 2H2. I told you they will be in hydrated form.
Yes, sir.
Now you calculate the molar weight.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कितना हुआ? ये हुआ 18 18 36. चलो इसका वाटर का काम खत्म हो गया. ऑक्सीजन चार्ट तो है 64 16 का 16 16 दूनी 32 16
126, sir.
126
total.
126.
Yes, sir. Molar
And
weight.
so equivalent weight is equal to molar weight divided by 2.
X factor.
Yes, sir.
Why 2? X factor is 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the equivalent weight?
61.
63.
63.
63. Who is misguiding?
One.
63, sir.
63. Okay, 63. So this is number of equivalent and this is the equivalent weight. Now we will get W. Come on, solve it.
1008 into 10 to the power minus 4.
What? What?
No, sir.
Eighty into, tell me,
1 minute, sir.
0.4 into 5 into
Yes.
63 equal
It's
divided by
10.08.
10.08.
It's 10.08.
10
Yes, sir.
point
10.08.
08.
10.08. See, any option is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
First
sir.
option.
First
First
option.
option. Then write it and smile. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So this was reaction of KMNO4 with oxalic acid. It is a kind of titration only. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, titration only. Now I will give you KMNO4 versus more salt. More salt. Have you ever had more salt?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the name?
MOH or more?
Yes, yes.
MOHR. More. More salt. One is more. Not this. Okay. MOHR. More salt. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you know the
Yes,
formula?
sir.
Of more, do you know the formula of more salt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Ammonium. Ammonium
Sir,
sulfate.
NH for the whole 2, FeSO for the whole 2, dot 6H2.
FeSO4.
The whole 2,
6H2.
6H2.
Where is whole 2 is coming? You can write like this. Ammonium, then Fe, then SO4. 2 time is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling that, sir. This
Okay,
one.
Right. I understand.
Yes, sir. Yes.
तो अब देखिए, तो आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is more salt. Okay. So. Okay. Let me give you one question that will be the best way to learn. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please call up.
अरे एले और ऊपर
No, sir. Okay.
लिया स्क्रीनशॉट.
Yes,
No,
sir. Done, sir.
लिख रहे हैं.
That's done.
अब हम लोग करेंगे KMNO वर्सेस
More salt.
more salt. So the reaction is आ गया रिएक्शन। चलो राइट दिस क्वेश्चन। देखिए सब बच्चा लोग पढ़ रहा है, ऐसे पढ़ाते देखिए सब बच्चे लोग है ना, एकदम सब आप लोग पहले स्टूडेंट है, देखिए करीब देखिए 145 स्टूडेंट बैठा हुआ। हाँ 145। नहीं नहीं अभी अभी 1 और 9 10 बज के 50 मिनट नहीं, फिर दिन में 3 बजे धीरे धीरे 1 2 5 बजे दिन भर में 4 5। हाँ हाँ ओके बेटा। सो KMnO4 versus more salt. Write the question. 3.92 मैं जो लिख रही हूँ बाद में देख रहे अब मैं भी देख रहा हूँ। 3.92 ग्राम ऑफ, इसमें किसको मारवाड़ी आता है जी? हेलो
We are Bengalis, not Marwadis.
तब ठीक है, बढ़िया है तब। 3.92 ग्राम ऑफ, ओके
आपको आता है क्या?
हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है मेरे को। मैं एक्चुअली बंगाली हूँ लेकिन मुझे बंगाली नहीं आता है, बहुत मेरे को शर्म लगता है। और मेरे सर्कल में शुरू में सब मारवाड़ी लोग था तो थोड़ा थोड़ा मारवाड़ी आने लग गया। लेकिन हमको बंगाली सीखना है, ये साल तक पूरा सीख लेना है। हमें बुझते पारे किंतु बोलते पारे ना। 3.92 ग्राम ऑफ FAS मतलब फेरस अमोनियम सल्फेट के react completely with 50 milliliter normality N/10 KMnO4 solution. The percentage purity, of the sample is option 1 50%, option 2 78.4%, option 3 80%, and option 4 28%. Solve it. Okay children, solve it your own. If you require my help, tell me.
Sir,
हेलो,
yes, the answer is I think 50.
ऐसे
Sir,
सॉल्व किया
7
बेटा?
of 10.
आंसर सही है एकदम।
ठीक है सर।
चलो कैसे किया बताओ बताओ बताओ।
Sir, 50% sir answer.
हाँ कैसे किया?
सर पहले मैंने इक्विवेलेंट वेट्स बाहर किया।
कितना आया इक्विवेलेंट KMnO4 का?
क्या?
नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ KMnO4 कितना आया?
0.005।
अच्छा, कैसे आया बताओ? कौन सा फार्मूला लगाया?
N1 into V1.
यस सर।
क्योंकि ये देखो यहाँ पर ये है नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट, राइट?
यस सर।
Yes sir.
ठीक है, तो ये आपका वो हो गया वॉल्यूम 50 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000।
1000।
नॉर्मलिटी दे दिया 1/10।
1000 into 1 by
Yes, sir.
10.
ठीक
यस
है,
सर।
तो
0.005।
Yes, sir.
तो ये हो जाएगा आपका ये और ये तो कट गया। 0.005 इज द इक्विवेलेंट, है ना?
Yes
यस सर।
sir.
तो
Yes, sir.
एफएस का भी वो ही होगा।
बस डेफिनेटली वो ये जो भरोसा होता है कि उसका भी यही होगा, वो कौन सा रूल हम लोग को कौन सा रूल सपोर्ट कर रहा है?
लॉ
Law
ऑफ
of
इक्विवेलेंस।
equivalence.
वेरी नाइस। तो हम लोग उसको लिख देंगे फ्रॉम लॉ ऑफ इक्विवेलेंस। ओके,
Yes, sir.
नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ कौन सा शॉर्ट में कैसे लिखा था? फेरस अमोनियम सल्फेट इज ऑल्सो 0.005।
0.005। यस।
बस अब बताओ।
अब वो इक्विवेलेंट के साथ मैंने 392 मल्टीप्लाई किया है जो एफएस का वेट है के बाद आया है।
तो ये तो इक्विवेलेंट था ना बेटा, तो
वेट था ना सर जो FAS का दिया हुआ था।
यस
हाँ, तो इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ FAS का कितना है?
इक्विवेलेंट वेट 78.4 आ रहा है।
FAS का इक्विवेलेंट वेट
20
कैसे आ रहा है उतना? कितना चेंज हो रहा है बताओ तो? इक्विवेलेंट वेट
9 नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट 0.05 है और सर FAS का वेट दिया हुआ है 3.92 और उसका इक्विवेलेंट वेट निकालने के लिए सर 3.92 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा ना नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट। 78.4 आ रहा है।
ठीक है, इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ, लिख लो इसको, नोट डाउन कर लो। इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ मोर सॉल्ट, ठीक है,
यस सर।
392 आएगा।
यस सर। 390।
Yes sir.
392 ग्राम, राइट?
Yes sir.
वो हाँ, क्योंकि फेरस से फेरिक हो रहा है, एक ही एक्स फैक्टर चेंज हो रहा है वहां पर।
ओके
Yes sir.
Yes.
सर
ठीक है,
इसको
तो-
जब हम N1V1 में बिठाएंगे तो 1.96 आएगा आई थिंक।
हाँ, मतलब अगर नॉर्मलिटी निकालना है तो
हाँ।
तो नॉर्मलिटी निकालने नहीं बोला है बेटा।
नहीं सर
अगर-
उसके बाद।
हाँ, अगर निकालने बोलता तो
हाँ सर।
ठीक है। तो अभी हम लोग वेट निकालो, इक्विवेलेंट वेट इतना आ गया है तो ये वाला फार्मूला इस्तेमाल करेंगे। नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट वेट नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट इज इक्वल टू वेट बाय इक्विवेलेंट वेट, राइट? तो इससे वेट पता लग जाएगा। नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट है इतना और इक्विवेलेंट वेट है 392, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो जोड़ो तो, मल्टीप्लाई करो, कितना आ रहा?
Yes, sir. Got it.
1.96.
1.96। चलो 1.96 अच्छा से किए हो ना, जरा सा भी गड़बड़ होने से परसेंटेज गड़बड़ा जाएगा।
Yes, sir. 1.96 gram.
ओके,
Yes, sir,
तो अब आप
1.96।
बताइए आपके ओरिजिनल सैंपल में, ओरिजिनल सैंपल का वेट कितना था याद है? 3.92,
Yes,
राइट?
sir.
3.92 gram.
Yes, sir.
3.92 ग्राम वेट था और उसके अंदर जो ओरिजिनल FAS फेरस एल्युमिनियम सल्फेट था वो 1.96 था। ठीक है, तो परसेंटेज निकाल लो कितना आएगा।
50%.
आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर।
Yes,
50%
sir.
आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
और आपके ऑप्शन में देखो 50% सबसे पहले दिया हुआ है।
हाँ फर्स्ट ऑप्शन।
First
तो दिस
option.
इज योर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन। इसको लिख करके देन स्माइल करो।
Sir, equivalent weight of FAS 392 कैसे आया सर?
वो उसके अंदर ना एमोनियम में तो कुछ हो नहीं रहा है और वो जो फेरस है ना, फेरस खाली वही चेंज हो रहा है फेरिक में, तो यहाँ एक्स फैक्टर 1 है। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो मोलर वेट डिवाइडेड बाय 1। ठीक है,
हाँ सर, समझ गए।
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सबको आ गया समझ में बेटा?
हाँ सर।
Yes, sir.
ओके, ये था आपका KMnO4 वर्सेस मोर सॉल्ट। उससे
Yes.
पहले वाला था KMnO4 वर्सेस ऑक्सैलिक एसिड। ठीक है, और हम लोग कल डबल टाइट्रेशन कर लिए थे।
हाँ।
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes, sir.
हाँ, इस बार का जो हम लोग का सिलेबस था,
कंप्लीट।
Complete हो गया.
सिलेबस था वो था H2O2 का स्ट्रेंथ, ठीक है, वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
फिर वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ, लेवलिंग ऑफ ओलियम कर लिए थे ना हम लोग।
Yes, sir.
फिर
Sir.
हम लोग सिंपल टाइट्रेशन कर लिए।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
देन वी डिड डबल टाइट्रेशन।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देन वी डिड KMnO4 versus oxalic acid.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Then we did KMnO4 versus more salt.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If time left, we will do back titration also today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Till then,
sir.
please. Till then,
Back titration is in this week's syllabus.
which
This
one?
week,
Which titration?
Back titration.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
back. All those who have done double titration, it is very easy. Back titration also, right?
Yes, sir.
Back titration is nothing. Okay. Let me.
Sir.
That's why please don't join today study hours. Okay, I may teach back titration on that time. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Anybody wanted to tell something?
Sir, please can you send the micro schedule?
Micro schedule.
Yes.
Okay, I will send it today WhatsApp group. Okay, immediately after the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
can you send some questions
Okay,
related
sir.
to KMnO4 versus oxalic acid and KMnO4 versus more salt?
Okay, I will send some question also.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
For practice.
Write down the next question. Write down one question for back titration. Write down 20 gram of a sample of barium hydroxide. 20 gram of a sample of barium hydroxide is dissolved in 10 milliliter of 0.5 normality HCl solution. The excess of HCl was titrated with 0.2 normality NaOH. The volume of NaOH used was 10 cc. Calculate the percentage of barium hydroxide in the sample. Okay, try to solve it. So this is from back titration. Why it is back titration, do you know? Hello children?
No, sir.
Okay, see. When you move your car, right?
Yes, sir.
You are moving forward, and again if you are coming back, it is known as back journey. Okay,
Yes.
Yes,
did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Same concept is here. See how it is back. One conical flask was there. In that, barium hydroxide solution was there.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. What was the volume? You don't know. Only you know that its weight was 20 gram. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you added. Okay. What you added? You titrated with this
HCl.
one. Yeah. HCl. HCl is in what? Acid.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you kept on adding. You
Hmm.
kept on adding. How
Yes,
much you
sir.
have added? The normality was 0.5. 0.5 normality, and you added volume is equal to 10 milliliter,
10
right?
milliliter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what happened, children? Actually, you lost your concentration and you have, by mistake, you have crossed the end point. Okay, and you have added little bit more. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, volume was required less. Suppose 6 or 7, but you added 10.
Yes.
So it was a
Yes,
great
sir.
mistake from your side.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
What mistake you have done?
Instead of adding 7 ml, we have added 10 ml.
Yeah, 6 or 7, we don't know, but you have added more volume.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now the solution became what? Now solution
Acidic.
became what? This is basic.
Acidic.
Initially this solution was basic, but
Basic.
when you added more acid, the solution became what?
Acidic.
Acidic. Then what
Acidic.
happened? Now again you are doing titration. Again you are doing titration. Why you are doing again titration? To know that how much extra acid you have added.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now the solution is having acidic medium.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me, inside initially the solution was basic and you are titrating with acid.
Yes, sir.
By your mistake, the solution became acidic, and now you are titrating with what? Base.
Basic. Yes, sir.
You have used it. Okay. So don't you think that it is
Yes,
back
sir.
titration?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Instead of using HCl, you are using NaOH.
Reverse.
Yes, sir.
By whose fault? By whose fault?
Mine.
Yeah. Instead of adding less, you added more. So solution became acidic. So now we want to know how much extra acid you have used.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
and that
sir.
will be titrated with another base. So the process is reversed. The process is reversed. That is known as back titration.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and how
Okay,
much
sir.
base? How much base was required? See here, it is given 10 cc. 10
Yes,
cc means
sir.
10 milliliter. And what is the normality of this base?
0.2.
0.2.
0.2.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now I will tell you what to do. So you know that you can calculate number of equivalents here
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
of NaOH.
I.
So yeah, how much it is? How much
What?
it is?
That
4, sir.
1 into
10 cc into 0.2. Number of equivalent is equal to normality into volume.
Sir, 2, sir. 2.
2.
2.
Okay. So if you don't divide by 1000, okay, it will be known as milli equivalent.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Better you divide by 1000. You
It's
want to do
0.002.
you want to do in a original way or milli equivalent?
Original way.
Original,
Yes,
then you divide by 1000. Okay.
0.00.
0.002.
2 into 10 to the power
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
1000.
Minus 3.
minus 3. It is the number of equivalent of NaOH used. It means
Yes,
the
sir.
extra acid which you have added is this much only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was the extra used. So calculate here. Whatever the equivalent, calculate here. How much equivalent you have added?
10. 5, sir. 5.
Number of equivalent.
5.
0.5 into 10 by 1000.
0.005.
Yes, sir.
5 into 10 to
0.005.
the power minus 3.
Yes.
5
Yes.
5 into
5
10 to
into
the
10 to the
minus
power
3.
minus 3.
0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2, right?
Minus
3.
3.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this much you have added, and in this much was the extra you have added.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So required. So it means number of equivalent of barium hydroxide. Tell me how much it is. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus this one. Okay. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 is the equivalent of barium hydroxide. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
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 See, they have added this much equivalent. So some people told you have added extra. So I asked how much extra I have added. So they told 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So I have subtracted that one. So what is that? 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 is the required amount.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the number of equivalent of barium hydroxide. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now calculate the mass. So number of equivalent of barium hydroxide is equal to weight by equivalent weight.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can convert it. What is the equivalent weight of barium hydroxide?
3 into 10 to the power minus 3.
Huh?
That is
Barium
not
hydroxide.
Equivalent weight.
Equivalent weight. What is the weight of barium?
Sir, telling.
L.
sir 171 gram.
137.
Yes, sir.
How? Into
130.
177 gram.
Barium.
sir, I think 137.
137 grams, sir.
Yeah, barium is having 137, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
two
sir.
oxygens are there. 2 oxygens
32.
32.
Plus
and 2 hydrogens are there.
one sec,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
171 is the total weight of
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
71.
3, 3, 6, 7. This is the molar
171,
weight, no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Molar
sir.
weight divided by X
By
factor.
2. By 2.
By 2.
So 171 divided by 2. Tell me the equivalent weight.
85.5.
85.5.
85.5, sir.
85.5.
Yes, sir. 85.5.
5.
Okay. So equivalent is 85.5.
0.5.
So right here. So what is the number of equivalents? 3 into 10 to the power minus 3
Minus
into
3.
85.5 is equal to
grams.
W. Solve it immediately.
256.5.
To
Answer. 56.5 into 10 to the power minus 3.
10 to the power minus 3 is the weight
Yes,
in
sir.
gram. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can we
sir.
do like this? Can we jump like this? Down.
Yes, sir, we can.
0.2565
2.56.
gram is equal to W, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. So what was the original sample?
Yes, sir.
20 grams.
How much?
20
20
gram.
grams.
20 gram.
20 gram was the question paper. How much they have scored?
0.2565.
Into 100. Tell me the percentage. Solve it.
Sir, 128.25%.
How much?
128.25%.
128.25.
क्या?
128.25%.
128.
नो 1.28 होगा।
Yes, sir.
1.2825
1.28%। इतना ला करके खुश हो जाओ, बस काफी है, इतना आ गया तो।
हाँ सर 1.28%।
आ गया समझ में क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.